Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find games in Epic which is already installed, right? So here you can see this is my Epic and it is on my laptop, and here if I just want to find it, then you will see a lot of features here. Basically you have to just go to your library section. Once you go to the library section, you will able to see that all these games which I have purchased but I have not installed over my laptop, right? So basically, for example, you can see that Epic gives me option to install it, but only if I click on install, then only it will get installed over my laptop. By the way, if you have installed any of the game, here it will show all the games which you have installed, right? And if you click on this, you will able to play, as well as you will also able to find a shortcut over your laptop here wherever in the desktop, and you can just click and play, right? So it's very easy, and this is how you can just find it over your Epic Store. I hope you found this video really useful.